Flow rate is steady. Add the catalyst. Copy that. Looks good from here. Good. Monitor for settling. Mixture is blending evenly. Adding the next batch now. Pressure's holding steady. Good. Increasing flow rate now. Copy that. Adjusting here. Levels look good. Flow rate is steady. Concentrate is integrating well. Adjusting speed for optimal blending. Vortex is building. Keep an eye on the pressure. Levels are stable. It's looking good. Good. Let's maintain this. Viscosity is stabilizing. Copy that. Adjusting the feed rate. Looks good. Ready for the next batch. All right, bring it up steady. Got it. Coming up. That's it. Lock it in. Pressure is holding steady. Good. The mix looks uniform. Yes, keep monitoring the flow. Pressure stable, carbonation optimal. Watch the arm sequence now. Good cycle. Next batch incoming. Initiating transfer sequence. Flow rate nominal, volume rising. Target approaching, monitoring.
Line speed is optimal, bottles are filling steadily. No irregularities detected on the monitors.
Label alignment looks good on this one. Confirmed. Fill level is perfect. Okay, releasing it. Viscosity and carbonation levels are stable. Proceeding with inspection.